Hello, I'm Julian from Visual Productions. I do technical support and customer support, and I'm here at LDI 2025 to show you our new products. So I can show you our new products that we launched this year. So everybody already knows the CueCore4. That was a 4-universe recorder, but this year we extended the capabilities of this recorder up to 32 universes. And to extend the number of universes that the CueCore can record, you will be able to use our new products that we have here. The RDM node that will convert ArtNet and SSEN to DMX or DMX to ArtNet and SSEN. And also the SPI node that can receive ArtNet and SSEN to output SPI to control pixels just like this one. By pairing those nodes with the CueCore4, you can now control up to 32 universes. They both come with a really handy UI, and you can find all the products here on the LDI 2025 or on our website at visualproductions.nl.